All right. Let's break it apart. Apparently, last time when I was testing it, it was overheating a little. So instead of actually using it more, I will be opening this bad boy. We'll clean it, put it back in the computer, and we'll see how it handles now. All right, let's take it apart. Let's take it apart and see how it's running after. Maybe we should just a little zoom. It's not, that is the hardest part is to do this, but it's actually easy. It's only got like 4-6 screws, and I think the radiator will come out, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, just a little move. Wonderful. So you got a 2 fan. Oh yes. Okay, so not that hard to open. Drift Gaming, how are you? What is it? First, yes, that's the most important thing. Being first. If you're not first, then nothing matters. Right. This is actually easy to take apart. But I don't want to break the connector, so I will try to take it apart slowly. How are you? You're fine. You're fine. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Fucking cement. No wonder it was overheating. Can you zoom camera? Hello. Zoom here. No? Actually, I think I have to go closer like this. Look at it. Look at it. If you put something like this, look. Okay, cement. It was cement on it. Hey, no wonder it was overheating the GPU. So, some alcohol. Some expensive material. Look at that. Wonderful. I need to clear away all the thermal paste. Not that is necessary, just for me. Come on out. There. It's gooey, but it was a little, how should I say, hard on some parts of corners and stuff like that, and that's the only reason I think it was overheating. There's no problem with the GPU. Everything is working nice with it. Last time I played with it, it was like not okay, you know, it was not okay. Let me brush it off. think it will suffice. Seriously. I don't know if you Nanjali, I don't know if you were like last time when I played with it with the GPU. Do you remember? A couple of days ago. I had to put an extra fan on top of it just because the GPU was overheating on the backplate, and I will show you. But now I think it will be perfect. No more problems. We'll put it inside and we'll see how it's all working. Right. Bellissimo. Everything looks clean. Now on the thermal paste, I put from that bucket I have, I don't know if you remember, in a syringe, so it can be more should I say, it can be less damaging on the amount of paste. Much easier. Look at that. Perfect. Last time I was putting with the bucket. People are like, damn, that's a big waste. That's it. Wonderful. See? Clean as a whistle. But I didn't take the time to actually appreciate the GPU, seriously. Look at it. Oh shit, too much. This is too much. So, memory phase. Here is the memory phase. 1, 2, 3. So I'm thinking 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. But there are only 11. 11. It's on the back. So 3 for the memory and 9 for the GPU. Fantastic. It looks awesome. Seriously. Hall of Fame. And how is writing here? Look, it's gorgeous. Seriously, it's gorgeous. I love everything about it. Theoretically, I can take the plate off. It's got like back plate, see here, but I don't need it. It was just for the thermal paste, you know, so I can swap it. I'm guessing under the plate, you know, you can find the patch for the memory that is on the other side, but I think it will be okay. They look okay, not the cleanest in the. You see, we actually changed the thermal paste and they're not very shiny. So I'm guessing either from the dust or something made the pads a little dirty. I don't think it will have a problem if you're not overclocking the GPU, and if you keep it on the good temps, I think it will be okay. All right, let's put it back together. It's actually easy, really easy to take it apart. Let me zoom out. So, Peteris, how are you? Hey Daniel, you said today you'll put today a very powerful video card and you will show who's the boss in Apex. Alright, yes. Now, one, I said that, and it's true, and I will show you. Second, I don't know if you saw it today's video. I put it on. It was like, oh my god, I was like 1024 40 fps. I was like, oh, the whole thing is beating me, though it was running, you know. I should practice more with the fps and that fps, and maybe with the mouse, you know, to put more fps to actually test how it's handling your eyes and your hand, you know. So all right, it's all good. Turbo off. Actually, it was pressed on. I don't know what's this, but it was pressed on, and this is how it was working. So the GPU looks like this. Yeah. It's got nice ports on the on it. Actually, she put the thumbnail like this. Make a picture. Can you snapshot, Mister? File. I don't know if I can snapshot. Which key? Ah, yes. Put it like this. Looks so good. I think it's my screenshot. I don't think he made any screenshot, seriously. But I do want one. Don't ask what was that. Screenshot taken. Yes. Okay. Sometimes I want to make a thumbnail, and I got this LED stuff, and I can put them on the side and they shine or whatever. There is discharge. Alright, so we'll take that picture, edit, change thumbnail, picture, and we just made ourselves a nice thumbnail. That's it.